Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane. This week, I'm taking some scrap metal I've had laying around. I'm going to weld it together and make little scrap metal bugs. Maybe a dragonfly, some snails, who knows. To do that, I'm taking some parts that I used on another scrap metal build a while back with the robot lamp thing that I did. If you haven't ever seen that video, I'll link to it in the description. Let's get started. To start off, I'm taking some round bar and a gear from a Jeep front end and welding it together to make a small snail. Here I'm just welding on some small bolts for the eyes. And here I'll just take some flat bar steel and form it to make the larger of the two snails. And while I'm grinding away this poor excuse for a weld, look down to the right, see my logo, and hit that subscribe. And now just to weld some eyes on this snail. Here I'm using some valves from a 1973 CB400 Honda motorcycle. Now I'm just welding some sides to the body of this snail, just to hold the large decorative ball that you'll see later. And now time for the dragonfly. Here I'm using some butter knives and a big lag bolt. I didn't think my welder would get hot enough to weld these stainless steel utensils, but it actually turned out pretty well. The welds aren't great, but they held. Now just adding some legs to this dragonfly, and this one will be finished and on to the next one. Here I'm just making some small beetle type bugs using some serving utensils and a valve spring. I think overall these scrap metal bugs turned out okay. With my limited ability in welding and just not necessarily knowing where I was going when I started this project, I think they turned out okay. Let me know what you think in the comments. Now for a coat of primer and some paint. And this project is finished. No, absolutely. Y'all just do whatever you want. Just move around, do whatever. Oh, hey, just hanging out with these scrap metal bugs you just watched me build. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell. You'll get a notification every time I take another item and flip it into something awesome. Watch out for that dragonfly. All right, look at this guy over here. It's a good looking beetle. It's a serving utensil and a valve spring. All right. Okay, go back over to where you were. All right. Hey, watch out for that dragonfly. All right. Y'all go have a great day and go make something awesome. I'm out of here.